Hello there. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a table of contents for an essay or a piece of work you're creating. I'm going to start by defining what a table of contents is, and then very quickly in about 5 minutes going to show you how to make one. If you're using Microsoft Word, a relatively new version like 2013 or above, it's very simple. It's a few clicks and it can save you a lot of time. So firstly, what is a table of contents? It's basically an index page at the beginning of your work. And it's really signposting where various things are in your essay. It's showing the structure of your essay, how it's laid out. That's pretty much it. Now, you can spend ages writing it manually and trying to make it look nice, but there's really not much point. Microsoft does it very well, very quickly. So let's go through. Let me show you roughly how to make one. The first thing you want to do, if you look at the screen here, first thing you do is work out what your sections of the essay or the piece of writing is going to be called. So I've come up with some fairly generic ones here. Introduction, big idea, a couple of things to do with the big idea, down to conclusion, references and appendices. That's all you need to do to start with. Don't worry about the font or the size or anything. You can change that later and it doesn't affect anything. So what I do first of all, I go to introduction and then home up here. And then over here, there's various options, various headings. Now the big headings, I'm going to call them heading 1. So I've got a few heading 1s. I'll just go through. First big idea, second big idea, conclusion, references, and appendices. Let's all call those heading 1 just for the sake of it. Next to that, I've got some minor points here. I'm going to call them heading 2, and again just double click on it and then click on the heading that you want, heading 2. Let's just have an extra one here, extra minor detail, just to show you what that looks like. Let's call that heading 3. Okay, and that's really all I need to start with. As you can see, it goes on this heading 4 as well if you really want it. And that's all you have, and then you write your essay underneath each of these sections. Once you're happy with all of this, you go up to references, and on the left hand side where it says table of contents, you click where you want your table of contents to go. I'll put it at the top here, I think. Table of contents, and then there's various choices. You just click on the first one, and there we go. It works out the page that it's on. Obviously these are all on page 1. If you go down as you write and it moves on to another page, for example, if I go down here and put these on different pages, if I now go back up to the top, I've got my content page here. If I click on the top part here, update table, I can update the whole table or just the page numbers. I'll just do the page numbers for now, and you can see it automatically on the right hand side there automatically updates the page numbers. So really simple, couple of quick clicks, and that can save you literally several hours of work. So I hope that is useful for you.